Hello my dear students. Today we will do chapter 9 line segments. Worksheet 1. Right? First of all we need to know what is a line segment. Let us recall. A line segment is a portion of line. It has two endpoints. It has a definite length. That means this is a line segment here. It has a starting point A and an ending point as B, and it can also be measured. So here line segment is AB. Right? Now we will start doing worksheet 1, which is on page number 153 of your book. Question 1, as I have written here, to be done in book only. Right? Compare the following line segments. Right? That means you have to tell from, there are three parts. You will tell which of these two line segments is greater or smaller or equal. Right? You have to apply, you have to write here greater sign, less sign or equal sign in all the boxes. Fine. So you must know how to measure length of a line segment using a scale. As you can see, between each two numbers there are 10 divisions, right? Between 0 and 1 there are 10 divisions. Again between 1 and 2 there are 10 divisions. Again between 2 and 3 there are 10 divisions, right? And these divisions represent the decimal points. So if I want to draw a line segment of length 2.2 centimeter, that means you will start from 0 and will go up to second division after 2. That means you start drawing from 0 and you want to draw 2.2 centimeter. Right? So start from 0 and go up to 2. 0.2 means second division after 2. Right? 1, 2. So this is your 2.2 centimeter length line segment. So this is your line segment of length 2.2 centimeter. If you want to draw suppose 3.5 centimeter, then go up to fifth division after 3. Start from 0, go up to fifth division, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fifth division, right between 3 and 4. This is a line segment of length 3.5 centimeter. Right? So we will see first part. You can tell by observation also which line is bigger here, or you can measure it with scale also. Here AB line segment, not line segment. Here AB line segment is 4 centimeter. It is a 4 centimeter length, and CD is of 3 centimeter length. So obviously AB line segment is greater than CD. Fine. B part. Now it seems that these two line segments are equal. But we will also check using scale. PQ line segment is of 3 centimeter length and length of line segment RS is again 3 centimeter. So yes, these two line segments are equal. Next is C part. DE and FG. We will again check using scale. DE is here 2.4 centimeter, right? And FG is 3.5 centimeter, right? So clearly FG is greater line segment. Its length is greater than DE. Next is question number 2. This question is also to be done in your books, page 153. Measure the two line segments using a ruler. You will only use ruler here, right? Only A part to be done. There are two line segments AB and PQ. Again you will measure it using scale, right? So place your scale 0 point at the first end point, the left end point of the line segment A, and you see in your scale where up to where it is going. At point B it is 4, right? So exactly it is 4 centimeter. Next line segment is PQ, right? It is starting from point P. 0 point will be at point P, and see Q point is up to which point. After 3, count the divisions and check where Q point is coming in your division. After 3 it is first, second, third, fourth, fifth division and sixth division. So it is 3.6 centimeter. Fine. Next we will do question number 4 first. Question number 3 we will do after question number 4. Question 4 is construct the line segments equal in lengths to the line segments given below. Page number 154. This question is given, and in question these two line segments are given to you, A and B part, right? So you will construct the line segments whose length is equal to these line segments. So first of all, measure these lengths, right? Measure these line segments. So place your scale here. It is A point, it is B point, right? Place your scale 0 point of the scale at A point and check up to where it is coming. At B point it is 3.5 centimeter, right? Fifth division, so it is 3.5 centimeter. So use your pencil and scale and draw the line segment with your pencil and scale in your notebooks, right? 3.5 centimeter. So start from 0 and 3.5 will be fifth division after 3, right? So start from 0 and go up to fifth division, that will be 3.5. So this is A point, this is B point, and it is 3.5 centimeter, right? Again B part you can check. It is P point, it is Q point, right? Place 0 point of the scale at P point and measure up to where it is going. Yes, it is going up to fifth division again, right? After 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, fifth division. So it will be again 3.5 centimeter. So again you will construct a line segment using your scale and pencil of length 3.5. Start from 0 and go up to fifth division after 3. Fine. This is P, this is Q, this is 3.5 centimeter. We will start with question number 3. It is on page number 154 of your book. Construct the line segments of the following lengths using the compasses. First part is 3.1 centimeter. Now we will use compass and we will construct the line segment. Remember, you can construct a line segment simply with the help of a ruler or scale or using compass. We will use compass in this question. So first of all, draw a line. Remember, line is a straight path which can be extended in both the directions or both the sides. So simply draw a line. These arrows represent that it can be extended. Draw this line of any length. Fine. Take a point A on this. You can name it by any capital letter. Now you have to construct a line segment of length 3.1 centimeter. So use your scale and open your compass up to some extent and place your compass tip at 0 point of the scale. Now you have to construct a line of 3.1 centimeter. Remember, between each two numbers on the scale, each two adjacent numbers on the scale like 0, 1, there are 10 divisions. Similarly, between 1, 2, there are again 10 divisions, and between 2, 3, there are again 10 divisions. So for example, if you want to draw 2.5, suppose. So 2.5 lies between 2 and 3. Fine. And 2.5 is the fifth division between 2 and 3, starting from 2. So start from 2 and count to fifth division. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is your 2.5. Now I want to draw a line segment of length 3.1 centimeter. So place your compass point at 0 and 3.1 will be the first division after 3 centimeter. So place your compass accordingly to 3.1 centimeter, the first division after 3. This represents 3.1 centimeter. So now this is 3.1 centimeter. So place your compass point to this point we have taken as A point and draw an arc to cut this line. Fine. The point where this arc is cutting the line, you can take it as B. So AB is my line segment of length 3.1 centimeter. I hope you understood it. Now let us move on to B part, 6.2 centimeter. Now again draw a line of any length using your scale and pencil. Put arrows on both the ends and take a point. Suppose now I am taking this point as P, point P. Fine. Now again place your compass point at 0. Now you want to open your compass for 6.2 centimeter. Now 6.2 is the second division after 6 centimeter. So place your compass tip or compass point at 0 and after 6 take second division. Second division is this. This is 1 and this is 2. Fine. This is second division after 6, which is 6.2. So now my compass is opened for 6.2 centimeter. Place it at P point again, same way as we have done A part, and draw an arc to cut this line. You can take this point as Q. So PQ is your required line segment which is of length 6.2 centimeter. Now C part, 7.4 centimeter. Again draw a line using your scale and put arrows on both the ends. Now you want 7.4 centimeter. So place your compass tip at 0 and 7.4 will be the fourth division after 7 centimeter in your scale. So fourth division will be after 7 will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So open it up to this point. Fine. This is the fourth division after 7, which is 7.4. So okay, take a point again. Suppose it is A. Place your compass tip as here and your compass is opened for 7.4 centimeter and draw an arc. Take it as B point where this arc is cutting the line, and AB is your required line segment which is of length 7.4 centimeter. Fine. Now D part is left, which is 9.3 centimeter, and you will do this part yourself. This is homework for you. Next question is question number 5. Construct a line segment AB of length 7.5 centimeter. From this line segment, cut off a line segment AC of length 3.2 centimeter. Measure the length of the remaining line segment CB. So, read the lines one by one and we will construct the line segments. So, read the first line. Construct a line segment AB of length 7.5 centimeters. So, first of all, we will construct a line segment of length 7.5 centimeter. So, use your scale and pencil. Keep your pencil and compass ready. Draw a line of any length. Draw a long line. Fine. Put arrows on both the ends. Take a point. As you want to construct the line segment AB first. AB length is 7.5 centimeter. Fine. So, you will take this point as A. Fine. Now, take your scale. Open your compass up to some extent. Place your compass tip at 0. Now you want to open your compass for 7.5 centimeter. That means the fifth division after 7, between 7 and 8. So after 7, the fifth division is right here in between 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the fifth division. So your compass is opened for 7.5 centimeter here. Fine. Right. Now place your compass tip at A point and draw an arc. As this length is 7.5 centimeter and it is mentioned in the question, it is AB line segment. So you have taken one point as A, so take the other point of the line segment, other end as B. So this AB is now 7.5 centimeter. Now we will read the next line. From this line segment, cut off a line segment AC. That means from this line segment AB, you will cut another line segment AC of length 3.2 centimeter. That means you will open your compass now for 3.2 centimeter. Fine. So place your compass tip at 0 and 3.2 will be the second division after 3. So second division after 3 is this, and it is 3.2 now. Fine. Now it is 3.2. As 3.2 length is by name AC, that means you will place your compass tip at A point. C point you don't know. Where is C point? Right? So this line segment is AC. So place your compass at A point and draw an arc to cut this line to get point C. This AC is of length, this line segment is of length 3.2 centimeter and this point is C. This is 3.2 centimeter. Fine. Now measure the length of the remaining line segment CB. Now you have drawn line segment AB of length 7.5 centimeter and you have cut a line segment of length 3.2 centimeter as AC. Now the remaining line segment is CB. Fine, and you have to measure its length. So you can measure it by scale and you can easily see, place this 0 point of the scale at C point and measure this line up to B point, and B point is right here at 4.3. You can count the division here. 4, this is 4, this is 1, 2 and 3, exact, it is 4.3 centimeter. So we can write here 4.3 centimeter. Fine. As CB is 4.3 centimeter. This is your answer. Next is question number 6. If AB is equal to 3.8 centimeter and CD is equal to 2.5 centimeter, construct a line segment whose length is the sum of the lengths of these line segments and measure it. That means, first of all, you will draw the line segments of length 3.8 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. And you will construct a line segment using scale only of length 3.8 centimeter. That is AB line segment, which is equal to 3.8 centimeter. So construct this line segment as AB 3.8 centimeter. 3.8 centimeter. Start from 0. Now we are constructing it with the help of scale only. So start from 0 and 3.8 will be the 8th division after 3. So start from 0 and go to 8th division, which is right here. Fine, this is 8th division after 3, which is 3.8, and this is AB. This is the line segment AB 3.8 centimeter. Now similarly construct the second line segment CD 2.5 centimeter using scale and pencil only. Start from 0. 2.5 is the 5th division between 2 and 3. So start from 0 and 5th division is right here, 2.5. So this is CD, C and D, which is 2.5 centimeter. Now what you have to do is to draw a line of any length, simply using scale and pencil only. Fine, put arrows on both the sides, just as we have drawn in question number 3. Take a point on it, the point other than from these points which are given in question. You can take it as P. Fine, do not take same point as ABCD. Take some other point by any other letter, capital letter. Now as you want to construct a line segment whose length is the sum of the lengths of these line segments, means first of all you will cut the line segment of length 3.8 centimeter by placing compass tip at P point. So open your compass of this length only. Now you have drawn this line segment, so you can measure it right from here. It is 3.8. Place compass tip at A point and up to B point your compass will be opened. This is 3.8 centimeter. Now place compass point at P and cut the arc of 3.8 centimeter right here. Fine, this is 3.8 centimeter. Now as you want to construct the sum of the lengths, you want the sum of the lengths of these line segments. So now open your compass for 2.5 centimeter. Place compass point at C and open it up to here as 2.5 centimeter. Measure it right from here. No need to use scale now. It is 2.5 centimeter. Now place compass tip at this point where 3.8 centimeter arc is cutting. Place compass tip at here and draw the arc of 2.5 centimeter. Now this is 2.5 centimeter. So now this is the total length what you want, 3.8 plus 2.5. This is the sum of the lengths of these two line segments. You can take this point as Q. Fine. And you want to measure it also. Fine. So you can measure it using scale only. So place 0 point of the scale at P point and you want to go up to Q point. Fine. Place it at P and it is right here at Q. It is 6.3. Exact 6.3 you will get. This is 6 and this is 1, 2, 3. So 6.3. Fine. That means PQ is AB plus CD, which is equal to 3.8 plus 2.5, and what is this measure? 6.3 centimeter. You have measured it also and you have added here also. It is a check. Add 3.8 and 2.5. You will get 6.3 and this length should also be 6.3. Next is question number 7. If PQ is 5.4 centimeter and RS is 2.7 centimeter, construct a line segment whose length is the difference of the lengths of these line segments. So, first of all, we will draw the line segments PQ and RS separately using scale and pencil only, as we have done in question number 6. So, take your scale and pencil and construct the line segment of length 5.4 centimeter. So start from 0 and 5.4 will be the fourth division after 5. 5.4. Right? Wait. So this is P, Q, and this is 5.4 centimeter. Next line segment is RS, which is 2.7 centimeter. So construct a line segment, start from 0, and 2.7 is the 7th division after 2. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 up to here only. So this is 2.7 centimeter. This is R, this is S, and it is 2.7 centimeter. Now you want to construct the line segment whose length is the difference, right? So first of all, draw a line. Simply draw a line of any length. Put arrows on both the sides and take a point on this as A. You can take any letter other than these. Fine. This is A point. Now draw the longer line segment first. Draw the arc of longer line segment first, as you want the difference. So first of all, draw the longer line segment. Using compass, take measure from it. 5.4 is bigger line segment. This is 5.4. And place the compass point at A and draw the arc and cut this line. Fine. This is 5.4 centimeter. Now, as you want the difference now of these line segments. Fine. So for difference, take the measure of the second line segment RS, which is 2.7 centimeter. Fine. And cut the arc by placing your compass point at A only. This is 2.7 centimeter. Now what does difference mean here? Difference of line segments. That first of all you have drawn the bigger line segment and you cut the length of smaller line segment from this line segment only. That means the smaller line segment is now removed and you are left with this difference. Fine. So your answer will be this part. Fine. You can name it as B and C. So BC is the required difference, that from the longer line segment you remove the smaller line segment part and you get the difference. This BC is the difference of these two line segments. Fine. And you can measure it also. BC, place 0 point of the scale at B and C is at 7th division here, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6 and 7. So this length is again 2.7 centimeter. That means BC is the difference that you have subtracted 5.4, this length. From this length you subtracted 2.7 centimeter line segment and again you get 2.7 centimeter. So BC is your required difference. Next is question number 8, which is the last question of the worksheet. If AB is 4.5 centimeter and CD is 2.3 centimeter, then construct the following line segments. First part is 2 CD, that means twice of CD. It means twice of CD. CD is 2.3 centimeter. Fine. Twice means 2 times, right? So what will you do? We will draw a line first. Simply draw a line using scale and pencil only. Put arrows on both the ends. This is a line and take a point P on it. You can take any point. P point here. Fine. Now 2 multiply 2.3 means 2 times 2.3, twice. So you will cut the arc of 2.3 centimeter 2 times. First of all, open the compass for 2.3 centimeter using scale, right? So place the compass tip at 0 point of the scale and 2.3 is the third division after 2 centimeter, right here. Fine. This is 2.3. So draw the arc by placing compass tip at P. This is 2.3 centimeter. Fine. This is 2.3 centimeter. Now again you want 2 times, right? So again place your compass point at this in continuation and draw the arc again of the same length 2.3. It is already opened, right? It is again 2.3. Fine. And you can name this point as Q. So PQ is your required line segment, which is 2 times 2.3. PQ is the required line segment. Fine. Next is B part, 3AB. Now 3AB means thrice of AB, matlab 3 times AB. Fine. 3 times means 3 times multiplied AB. AB is 4.5 centimeter. Right? That means you will cut the arcs of 4.5 centimeter 3 times. Right? In continuation. Again draw a line, draw a longer line as you will cut 3 times. Right? So this is my line. Put the arrows on both the ends. Take a point P on one end, P point. Open your compass for 4.5 centimeter now. Right? Place the compass tip at 0 and 4.5 centimeter will be right between 4 and 5. The fifth division after 4 centimeter. It is 4.5. Right? Fine. So place the compass point at P and cut the arc of 4.5 centimeter. First time you are cutting it, right? Place it at P and cut the arc. Now again place it at this point in continuation. Again cut. It is 2 times now. You have to cut 3 times, right? Again one more time cut it. Fine. Now 3 times we have cut the arc of length 4.5 centimeter. So these all lines are 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter, and this is the ending point Q. So PQ is the required line segment here. So you can name PQ is the required line segment. Fine. Now C part is AB minus CD. Now AB minus CD means AB length is 4.5 centimeter, right? And CD is 2.3 centimeter. So simply it is same as question number 7, where you have taken the difference of the line segments and construct the line segment. Fine. So this part you will do yourself, same as question number 7. This is your homework. Now we will move on to D part. AB plus 2CD. That means AB plus twice of CD. So first of all, you will draw a line simply by using a scale and pencil. Put arrows on both the ends. Take a point on it as P. It is written here AB first, right? AB length is 4.5 centimeter. So open your compass for 4.5 centimeter. Place compass point at 0 and 4.5 centimeter you want, right? Fifth division after 4 centimeter. So place the compass point at P and cut the arc. Cut the line. This is 4.5 centimeter, right? Now addition is there. That means in continuation with this arc, you will cut 2 times CD. CD is 2.3 centimeter. So now open your compass for 2.3 centimeter. Place compass tip at 0 and 2.3, third division after 2. Right? And in continuation with this arc where it is cutting the line of 4.5 centimeter, this is 4.5 centimeter, place compass point at here and this is CD. One time you have cut it 2.3 centimeter. Now it is 2 times, twice. So again place compass point at here in continuation and again cut 2.3 centimeter. Right? This is 2.3 centimeter. And again 2.3 centimeter. So this is AB plus twice of CD. This is your required line segment, that is PQ. You can take the last point as Q. So PQ is the required line segment. I hope you understood all the questions. Thank you.